Okay, so today we are at Volvo, Mississauga, and I will be taking photos of the cars there. Sorry, pardon? Oh, no, I'm just doing it for my Instagram. I'm just doing it. For social media. Yeah. Yes. Oh, no, Instagram. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm just recording myself. Yeah.
You do it yourself.
Pardon? Yeah, I'm just, yeah.
You do for dealership.
Pardon?
I thought you do for dealership.
Oh, they do? Oh.
You do it yourself.
Yeah, myself, yeah.
You mean you're learning to do it yourself?
Yeah, I'm learning. I've been taking for a long time now, for some time. So I want to get better. So yeah. Oh, you can start with your phone. You can just start with your, and just keep on. Like, you wanna do foot.
I put myself on the TikTok.
Do you want to learn how to? Oh, I can show you.
Or Instagram. How
Okay.
you do it?
Sure, I can.
Sorry about it.
No, it's fine.
My name is Vince.
Okay. What do you want to do? Like, yeah. So then, you can choose to. Oh, I don't see it for some reason. I don't know why. That's weird. So you go to videos, right? And then you can select it.
And send.
Yeah, you can edit.
And next and send.
Yeah. Next and yeah. Good. Great.
You want to do it for me now?
Sure. Yeah. I can do it for you. Sure.
You try in my language.
I can do it on my camera if you want. Do you want me to do it on my camera? I can do it on my camera. Mine's
Next time I know how to do it myself.
okay. Sure.
Can I stand here?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. No. Put it. Yeah, like here. Yeah.
I have already. You use my phone.
Sure.
Ready?
No. Let me. One second. Okay.
Xin chào, tôi là Viên Trần from Mississauga, Volvo rất mời bạn đến với showroom để xem những mẫu xe Volvo SUV sang trọng. Cảm ơn các bạn.
Okay. So,
Can I hear?
yes. You might have to speak louder, but let's see. I'll put it. This is to go higher, the volume. Okay.
Những mẫu xe Volvo SUV sang trọng lịch lãm. Cảm ơn các bạn. Is that the whole dealership or just here?
Oh, I just got out the car. Do you want me to move around and?
Yeah, move around.
Oh, move around.
Move some car. Left and right, that's it.
Okay. So like as you're talking, I move.
Yeah.
Do you want me to? Okay. Do you want to walk around? Do you want to walk? No. Yeah. Yes.
Chào, tôi là Viên Trần from Mississauga, Volvo rất hân hạnh mời các bạn đến với showroom để xem những mẫu xe Volvo SUV sang trọng.
Okay. So I moved it. Moved aside. See if this is good.
From Mississauga, Volvo rất hân hạnh mời các bạn đến với showroom để xem những mẫu xe Volvo SUV sang trọng lịch lãm. Good.
It's fun?
Yeah.
It's good? Okay. I'll delete the other one. This, oh. You'll have to unlock it. You'll have to unlock the phone. And then I can delete that video if you want. The other one. Sure, okay.
So I have to buy one of these, eh?
Yes, yes. You can get it from Amazon.
How much?
20, 10 to 30. It's not too much. It's around.
What is it called?
I can show you actually. It's called a microphone. It's called a LAV. I'll show you. LAV, they say. They call it. And then a microphone.
Left
Mic, yeah. Then this. You will want something like this. This is wireless. It has no wire connecting to it. So
Wireless, yeah.
wireless, yeah. So then you can just. This works. These all work. You can just.
Just order that.
Yeah. These are all what I have. This is what I have.
Screenshots on the screen.
Oh, I got it. It's good. Okay. Here, let me.
So now
And do you want me to post it?
yeah, please.
Sure. Okay.
So people do YouTube, they do the same way, right?
Yes. Yeah. They.
They put on YouTube.
Yeah.
Same way.
Yes, you can do it on. I would recommend you can do it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok if you want. Yeah. Those
Same
are good.
way the way we just did.
Yeah. So. First one, the real.
First one.
Sorry. So you would take this one.
The
Yeah.
and then hit next. And
Do you want music in the background? No. Do you want music in the background? Music. Yeah.
something sharp.
And then you want to. Right now you can't hear yourself, right? It's very loud. So you have to edit the video. You click edit. This is a bit harder, but you have to click on volume. This is the video. This is the music.
Yeah.
You click on the music. Look for volume, and you turn it down.
Turn it down.
I don't know why it's. Wait, actually, I don't. It should be working. For me, it works. I don't know why. That's.
Don't worry about music.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. I can delete it. Let me.
Oh, I can hear something. Continue.
So this is where you put your title of the video, whatever it's about. You can put it.
Yeah, and then hit next.
You can tag people. You can tag them, because it will go on their Instagram. If you want.
Tag me in the people I know or pop up?
No, tag only this. Tag this dealership. I can show you right now. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off getting photos of this Volvo over here. Okay, let's get down for this shot. Okay, nice. Let's get the logo. Let's try to get a logo shot. Okay, now let's get a wheel shot of this car. Okay. Taking pictures of this XC60 over here. Okay. Let's go for this front angle over here. Okay. Let's get some interior shots. Okay. To get the rear view of this car. Portrait angle, and now a horizontal angle. get it again. Okay. Okay. Let's get this angle off it. Step back a bit to get it in the frame. Let's get some more interior shots. Okay, we'll be taking some photos of this white Volvo V60. Let's start off. Start from the front actually. I'm getting some rear angles of this Volvo here. Okay, nice. Here. Nice. Okay, looking good. Let's get some interior shots. One portrait, then let's do one horizontal. Let's get the steering wheel. Okay, so now for the forward carb, let's take some pictures of this Volvo XC90 over here. This is another XC90. This is a white one, so let's this is a rear angle. I'm gonna get some horizontal pictures too. Okay. Let's get the writing here too. It's nice. Okay. Alright. Now for the interior, let's get some interior photos. So let's step a bit back and let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's get some horizontal pictures now. I don't have too much space here, but let's see if we can get a front angle. Maybe a 3/4, a front 3/4 from here. Yeah, we can. Okay. Wow, looks nice. Okay, nice. We've got another XC60 over here. We're gonna get some. It's a nice color on it. I don't know what color this is, but it looks nice. Yeah. Okay. Let's get the letters. The letters on this car. I don't know why my camera is black right now, but okay, let's get it again. Okay. Let's get this rear shot here. Get some interior shots of this XC60. This has a nice interior. Let's get a wheel shot of this car. Okay. Some front angle shots of this car. Let's get this cool angle over here.
There was an entire, like, there was a ball